I get a lot of questions. Why do you choose Daffodil University? Why do you choose Bangladesh? I made a research and I found out Daffodil International University is the best place to develop your skills. Hello everyone, my name is Honorable Sadam Bello, member representing the good people of Funaka North constituency, and I am currently the Deputy Speaker of the Assembly. I was a student of Daffodil International University from CSE. Daffodil University is like a home to me. It is an honor and privilege to be back again here. The university made me who I am today. After graduation, I started working with Bangladesh High Commission Abuja. So my main work is taking care of the cyber in the embassy. I have the basic knowledge which I attend here in Dhaka. I don't have words to say about this university because I'm so happy to be part of it. Today I came back, I brought my brother with me who is going to study public health. Firstly, I want to tell him the people are very welcoming. The culture is very nice, similar with our own culture. So I want to tell him to study very hard, very well, and I don't think he is going to have any challenge. Not only him, because we have a lot of Nigerians here who are studying, doing their education, and they return back home and they are doing very well. I get a lot of questions. Why do you choose Daffodil University? Why do you choose Bangladesh? There is similarity between Nigeria and Bangladesh in terms of culture and tradition. We almost share everything. So what motivated me to study here? In terms of IT, information technology, Daffodil University is the best place to study. I want to be a good programmer. So I made a research and I found out Daffodil International University is the best place to develop your skills. So I developed so much experience during my studies.